Hi guys, my name is Bart Kamsky and this is Devlog of my game Arcade Shop Simulator. And this is the last one. Why last one? Because I established the release date. It's gonna be 19th of August, which is about 1.5 months. And it's gonna be there. The game Arcade Shop Simulator is a simulator, first-person simulator game when you manage your arcade shop. And I've been working on this game for a year and a half, and it's finally there. It's finally on the finish line, and it's gonna be released on Steam in a month and a half. In the meantime, you can download the demo, you can play the demo, you can obviously go to the Steam page and add to wishlist. I would appreciate that. And the link is in the description, and I'm gonna tell you what I did in the last time. What's new in the game. So one of the new things is I'm not sure if you already know the intro, but maybe there's a tutorial. Maybe I'm gonna show you without the tutorial real quick. Tutorial off, without intro, and maybe I have a god mode with a lot of money so I can show you everything what I have. So the one of the most important thing is that you can hire a young boy named Trevor who will help you collect money from games. So you can hire for a day for $10, for a week for 50, or even for a month. Let's hire him for a week. Okay, it's higher, 7 more days, and then when we let's buy maybe another game, Ball of Beauty. Here we go, and let's open the doors and let's get kids coming, playing our games. Yeah, they're playing. They are unfortunately trashing the place, so I need to, not trashing, just messing, doing a mess, so I need to pick up the thing. And here's Trevor, who's gonna pick up the money from the game, and he's gonna go and give it to us. So as you can see, we don't have to do it by ourselves. We can hire Trevor to do it. I still need to work on his animations because they are a bit clunky, but I have that's the things, the polishing things at the very end that I need to do. So I have a month and a half to do it. What else? I can now. There are cosmetics. You can have a carpet. You can change the light, for example. If you buy violet light, it will change to violet. If you change carpet to, let's say, this one, and you will get it. You will have this nice carpet. Walls, obviously, you can change walls to these. So you can have walls like these. But the last thing I add is the neon. You can buy a neon, and you can your name here. You can type your name here, choose the color. I still need to work on this menu, but if you buy the neon, you can unpack it, and then you can put it somewhere here. Oh, it's not gonna fit anywhere, it's too long, but yeah, you can have it here. You can change the pattern. Now it's only just constant light or flickering, blinking, but I'm gonna do some more nice patterns. Maybe letter will glow one by one. And you can buy, you pay, you can get as many neons as you want. You pay by a letter. So if you have like one letter, for example, you pay $10. So maybe you can even combine different letters in completely new. Yeah, like here, for example. Yeah, so you can combine different letters into your own neon. What else? You can drink coffee, but this I probably show you in the last time. And this way you can collect money faster from the games, and you can do stuff faster. There's the radio that plays, and also, but I need to show it on Steam. I guess I need to go to my library, right? Let me show you, because I made finally the Steam achievement. There is about 50 of them, I think, or something about that, 40 something. But yeah, there are Steam achievements, and let me check in my library. Yeah, so these are the Steve achievements. There's a lot of them. View my achievements. Yep, there's a lot of them. There are some fun ones like Handyman, if you can fix your machine. Some games are playable, so if you play them, you can get a achievement of playing that game. There's a lot of them. As you say, they are pretty cute. I'm working with a super talented graphic artist that is helping me with it. So yeah, guys, that's the last update of my game Arcade Shop Simulator. Please follow the link in the description, go to the Arcade Shop Simulator Steam page, add it to wish list, and please, when it's 19th of August, go to the Steam, buy it, and enjoy running your Arcade Shop Simulator. Thank you. See you next time.